Hello guys, welcome back again with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about article targeting the remittances market in India. Facebook digital currency will be pegged to the US dollar for stability according to Bloomberg report. The company is currently working on the strategy, including a plan for custody assets. WhatsApp has over 200 million users in India, where people sent 69 billion home the last year. Facebook did not confirm the report but said it is exploring ways to leverage the power of blockchain technology always where Argentina Athena Bitcoin has installed seven cryptocurrency ATMs in Buenos Aires, which will allow users to obtain Bitcoin with waiting for confirmation on the blockchain. According to local media, Crypto Noticias. On the flip side, the regulatory surveillance on digital token will be dictated over the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) will strengthen regulatory checks in the industry in 2019 due to its significant growth and risk. For firms actively engaged in the digital asset market, OCIA will conduct examination focused on, among other things, portfolio management of digital assets, trading safety of client funds and assets, pricing of client portfolios, complaints, and internal control, the report said. The US also introduced a bill to halt Iran from creating its own cryptocurrency. As an extension, the Securities Sanction, the draft law seeks to ban transactions on any digital token from Iran and impose penalties on US citizens and companies which offer financial and technological support to Iran for developing its own digital currency. For firms actively engaged in the digital asset market, OCIA, the Office of Compliance Inspection and Examination, will conduct examination focused on, among other things, portfolio management of digital assets, trading safety of client funds and assets, pricing of clients' portfolios, complaints and internal control, the report said. The US also introduced a bill to halt Iran from creating its own cryptocurrency. As an extension to existing sanctions, the draft law seeks to ban transactions of any digital token from Iran and impose penalties on US citizens and companies which offer financial and technological support to Iran for developing its own digital currency. On the flip side, the regulatory surveillance on digital tokens will be tightened elsewhere. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) will strengthen regulatory checks in industry in 2019 due to its significant growth and risk. A report released last Tuesday showed for firms actively engaged in digital asset market, OCIA will conduct examination focused on. Just thanks for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. Okay, bye.